For the layout program, you're going to start working on creating a storyboard. So for the storyboard, I want you to take a piece of paper out, or you can do this online if you want, or on something like Word if you want to draw, make little sketches on it. You're going to draw out some thumbnails. You need to have about 9 of them. I require at least 9 so that you can kind of plan out how your pieces are going to fit together. The point of the InDesign part of this is that you're going to actually plug them into a template that will create your storyboard. The storyboard will be for now, and then with your final, you will update the storyboard and make any changes to it that you need to, okay? So I'm going to switch over to InDesign. So this is the document that is going to be in the module that you need to download. You are going to fill out the top right here, fill in what you need, like your these two can stay the same, but for like title, come up with the title of your animation. You're going to also put that right here, as well as your name up here. And what I did was I just took a piece of white printer paper and I drew these little thumbnails to kind of lay out my idea. So you can see kind of, it's a little rough, but you can see I have the little doll sitting on the bed. There's the window. And then you can see they're going to float up and out the window, floating outside the window, floating across the landscapes. They're going to come back in through the window and land on the bed. You're then going to kind of update this information down that's below it. So you're going to just make little notes like the first scene is going to be in the bedroom. The toys are sitting on the end of the bed holding balloons. I have the lullaby music playing. I'm going to have a title screen over it. And so you're just going to kind of add these little aspects in. And again, this is your rough draft. So don't worry about having the exact plan laid out. This is can change. It'll change through the next programs as you realize what you're doing and what you see that you're doing. Now, just remember, if you're going to do this on paper, the easiest way to do it is to take photographs of the paper and then email them to yourselves. That's what I did. I emailed the pictures to myself. And then you select the box and come up to File and Place. You find that image that you want to use. Mine are in here. You find the image you want to use. Hit Open. It'll place it in there. And then you can double click on it. And you can resize it, okay, to make it fit better. So you just want to have these, you want to fill these 2 pages for right now. Now, whenever we start working on the final project, I have extra ones down here. So if we need to go through and add more to it, we can. Also, if you want to get a nice clean layout for the final, we're going to do that right here. Okay. So for right now, just fill out this first spread. Make sure you put some information in. Then go ahead and do File and Save. Save it just as a regular INDD document. And then you're going to do File and Export. And you're going to turn this into an Adobe PDF print, and save it. And that is what you're going to actually submit to me. All of this can stay the same. Make sure right here it says Spreads so that it puts them together, and hit Export. Okay, I'm not worried about oversized text. Then that is what you're going to turn into me for this project. So make sure it's saved as a PDF so that I can open all of it. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email and we will get you some answers.